My name is Jorge Machado. I'm the founder and president of Freshmart. Freshmart is a chain of 7 natural food supermarkets located in Puerto Rico. We have a groceries department, we have a vegetable department, frozen department, and produce department. Besides that, we also have a vitamin or supplement department, and also a full-scale super restaurant or deli. There we offer gluten-free products, vegan and vegetarian dishes. Using several databases create certain problems, certain strains in the operation, especially for the IT department. We lost data, a lot of communication problems or issues, and we were looking for several years for a system that used only one database. We as a natural food supermarket and a retailer in the grocery business, inventory management is very important. And the feature, the module of replenishment of LS Retail is a very strong module. Also, the data capturing, we are into data analytics, and data capturing is very important for us. And LS Retail comply with all those requirements. Because of the pandemic, we all know that online sales picked up incredibly. But before the pandemic, we were planning to get into the online business. And part of the looking for a robust system like this LS Retail, it was because of that. So we opening our online store in August. We are 4 months into that operation, and LS Retail has been a big part of our success. We have a 90% fulfillment in all our orders, and that is super good. And one of the reasons for that is that LS Retail has a very strong inventory management model and replenishment features. Also, we are into data analytics. We've been capturing data and using the data to attack the client based on their consuming behavior. LS Retail is a very strong data capturing program system. So we are very into online and data capturing, and the capabilities and that LS Retail has provided us to reach our audience, our clients, is very strong. The module that give us best value is the inventory management and the replenishment feature, automatic replenishment feature that has that module. The ROI has been incredible. The efficiency within our purchases has improved incredibly. Before, we have 2 buyers per store, and being human, they were not as accurate in their order as a program that's run under a perpetual inventory system. Right now, we can place the order for all the store and a warehouse that we have with 2 persons. The job that usually were done by 14 persons is done by 2 persons. So the efficiency is incredible. Efficiency plus accuracy is very, very strong. Plus we operate with less inventory and sell more. Restaurant business is a complex business. If you have a sandwich, the restaurant business operates like a manufacturing company. A sandwich has different components, or a burger has the bread, has the cheese, has the meat. So each company has a different cost. So the module of LS Retail is very strong. It have helped us to know the cost of the sandwich per ingredient, and as being an integrated system with one database is very efficient, because once in the payable department, the account payable department enter an invoice and there's a change in the cost of that ingredient, it seamlessly that ingredient change the cost. So we know the change of the cost of that burger sandwich, and we then decide if we can adjust the SRP or we maintain the SRP. With the other system before, it was not efficient because we have to we made enter that invoice in the accounting software. Then we have to come to the model of the restaurant, and that entry twice, which is very efficient, and it was not as robust as LS Reader is. So in terms of the cost, maintaining our cost up to date has been very helpful. We are very into data analytics. One feature that it was very important, we decided for LS Reader is an API system, so open source, and we can connect it to Power BI. It's very easy to extract data from our database and put it in a Power BI platform. We have a very strong loyalty program and a large loyalty database, and we are capturing a lot of data points within that database of our customers. That gives us the advantage of we mine the data, and then we analyze the data, put it in different reports, and it helping us send text messages, customize our marketing program for those customers. That gives you a lot of power in terms of satisfying your customer needs and know how they're behaving. We're looking to dashboards to know what subcategories within the category are selling, so we can purchase more. We then give more importance to that categories, and we try to not get out of stock of those categories that are very important. We're planning to use LS Reader in that operation. It's a microbrewery. We're establishing a microbrewery in our the last store that we opened, which is Plazoleta. And the module of manufacturing, we know how it works and how good it is because we use it in our restaurant operation. So obviously we're going to use it for our microbrewery. It's a brand new trademark, and I know we're going to be very successful.